Well, a lot of tea growing country facing the problem is just like a lot of horticulture. It's the same thing. It's environmental issue and the social issue. Pesticides, chemical fertilizer, and water pollution, air pollution. So these are all, and then also that labor issue. Basically, is that some of the places is that the labor cost is too low, yeah, and also the poor facility for the workers to stay and things like that. So these are all the problems that in the horticulture in general in the whole world. As a consumer, you want to know whether you eat the rice or you eat the veggie or whatever, you want to know where they come from. And now it's getting more and more important. Well, in New Zealand, they have a very high standard, everybody knows, and the requirement, especially to certify organic, our standard is really, really high. And also that in terms of minimum wage, we're talking about US $100 a day. All our processing is on site, growing, processing, packaging. It's all under one roof. So every package of tea, I can tell you where does the paddock come from, who processed, who harvesting. Well, a lot of people say that good tea have to grow in the high mountain. And here we are only 40 meters above sea level. But the differences is because that our day and night temperature a lot difference. And so that's why the temperature is actually very suitable, and that's why to grow tea is actually working really well. And because of that, they don't have a lot of insects. And that's why to have organic tea is much easier to grow than anywhere. Because our tea leaves is growing organic, so it's much thicker, and that is why it's more strong and robust. A lot of people, they want to know where their tea come from. They want to know what is in their tea, what is not in their tea. The reason is because that a lot of places that they are overused the pesticides, chemical fertilizer, and things like that. Our legacy is to grow something responsible for the next generation. And therefore, all of us, including the investor, the founder, have to be the same vision to make it happen. So if you ask me whether this thing's successful or not, it depends on how you define. If you're talking about dollars and cents, maybe not. But if you're talking about love, about quality products that for the next generation, yes, I think we are facing the right direction.